Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Nokia C12. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Right here on the top, find Firefox. When it's finally ready, we can click on the Open. Right here, customize the browser with different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.